Lesson 4: Organic Chemistry and Practical Tests. Our final lesson covers organic chemistry and practical laboratory tests. Let us start with hydrocarbons. Alkanes are a type of hydrocarbon that contain only single bonds between carbon atoms. Because they only have single bonds, they are known as saturated hydrocarbons. Another important family in organic chemistry is the alcohols. The identifying functional group for all alcohols is the hydroxyl group, written as -OH. To separate complex mixtures like petroleum into useful fractions, we use fractional distillation. This process separates the fractions mainly according to differences in their boiling points, as they vaporize and condense at different levels in a fractionating column. We also study polymers, which are large molecules or macromolecules formed by joining many smaller units called monomers through the process of polymerization. In the laboratory, you must know standard tests to identify substances. For example, if you bubble a gas through lime water and it turns milky, the gas is carbon dioxide. This happens because carbon dioxide reacts to form insoluble calcium carbonate. To test for the presence of water, you can use anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. This pale or white compound turns blue when water is present and hydrates it. Knowing these tests and organic structures will help you successfully navigate the final sections of your multiple choice exam.